Okay, here we have the command prompt. In this particular case, I'm using a program called iterm, which allows me to have tabbed command prompts in different areas, and I can color code them, and I can indicate where they open up, any kind of title I want. In this case, I've chosen the name of the directory as the title. And here you see two processes that have been running for a long time. Okay, so there's our 5 tabs. We can open more if we want. Here, configuration, go to FSL bin, that one's green. We can say ls, and we get a listing of the files that are here. Okay, let's go back to the home directory. We'll say ls for list. Here are the directories in blue and the single file at the top level in black. If I want more information about these directories, I add a flag to ls. -l is the flag for a long listing that provides permission information. The very first letter here, the D, indicates that it's a directory. A dash simply indicates that it's a file. Here's the owner of the directories and files, and here's date. Alright, ls-la. The A means all, and it shows us all of the hidden files, that is the ones that start with a dot that we normally don't see. Quite a few there. You don't have to memorize what ls does. You can look at the man page. So for any command in Unix, you can type man and the name of the command, and it will give you a command manual which indicates what the flags are and tells you something about what the command does. So the down arrow goes through these. You can see that there are a lot of flags for ls. I don't know most of them. The -l for the long format is very useful, and the -a for all, and the -r, capital R usually, to recursively list directories and subdirectories. We'll use that one in a minute. The other ones I never use. When you are done with the man page, you hit Q, and that quits it. Let's try ls-r. Woo! Control C. Let's stop that behavior. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. Here, as we scroll back up, you see each directory, and you see what's inside of that directory. And then for each subdirectory, you see what's inside. So this really does iterate recursively down through the layers and show you everything that's there. And Control C stops it. Okay, so ls-l, ls-l, that's an important one. ls-a, that's an important one. You can combine them, ls-la, long listing for everything, and you can recursively list. Alright, listing is a very important command. You also want to know where you are. Sometimes you'll move around in this tree and it'll be hard to keep track. So pwd, print working directory, shows you exactly what your current path is. Let's see. You can go somewhere else. There's another crucial thing. CD for change directory. If you say ... that means go up a level. And here you see I'm in /users now because I've gone up a level, and I had been in /users/dpad before. If I go up one more level, then I'm at /. This is root. It's called root. It's the top of the tree. And at the top of the tree, on all Unix machines, you find bin, dev, etc. Usually home, private. sbin is very common. User, let's see, what else will you find everywhere? That's about it for what you'll find everywhere. In this particular case, some of these things are Mac specific, like the applications directory. Let's see. So let's look at the absolute path versus the relative path. If I say, first we'll go home. We can do this special thing, cd twiddle. Okay, now I'm home, and user's dpad. And here are some subdirectories, so I can say from here cd documents, and now I'm one level down in my documents directory. If I go to root and I say cd documents, there's no such file or directory at root. It works when I'm in user's dpat because there is a directory called documents right here. It does not work to say cd documents when I'm at root because there is no such directory right at this level. Nothing called documents. I can get back to documents from root if I give it the whole path. So in this case, I'm going to start with the root symbol, because when you provide a path that starts with the root symbol, you specify the entire path from root to the place you want to go. Users, dpath, documents, pwd. Okay, back in documents. There you go. That is a first very quick lesson on Unix.